Hello students, welcome all to our channel. Now in this video, we have started the last lesson in the 5th standard mathematics subject. Name of the lesson is Preparation for Algebra. बीजगणिताची पूर्वतयारी. Let us learn. There is a discuss about the preparation for algebra in between the Vidula sir and Ravi. Vidula says to Sir, my brother said he was studying algebra. What is algebra? And then Sir says, to put it simply, algebra consists of the use of numbers and letters to state and solve problems. तुमच्यापुरतं सांगायचं झालं तर बीजगणित म्हणजे संख्या आणि अक्षरं यांचा वापर करून मांडलेलं गणित. अँड देन रवी सेज, डज दॅट मीन ॲडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ लेटर्स? हाऊ डू वी डू दॅट? म्हणजे अक्षरामध्ये बेरीज वजाबाकी अशा क्रिया करायच्या, त्या कशा करायच्या? अँड सर सेज, टू प्रिपेअर फॉर दॅट लेट अस फर्स्ट लर्न अ फ्यू थिंग्स युजिंग नंबर्स. ते शिकण्यासाठी पूर्वतयारी म्हणून संख्याच्या मदतीनं काही गोष्टी शिकूया. लेट अस लर्न द फर्स्ट पॉईंट इन दिस लेसन इज इक्वॅलिटी, म्हणजे समानता. Whenever we add, subtract, multiply or divide two numbers, the answer we get is always another number. दोन संख्यावर बेरीज वजाबाकी गुणाकार भागाकार यापैकी कोणतीही क्रिया केली की आलेलं उत्तर म्हणजे एक संख्याच असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, when we add 5 and 3 we get the number 8. 5 आणि 3 यांची बेरीज केली की 8 ही संख्या मिळते. Now we return this as 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. Now let us think about this in another way. Suppose that by performing a mathematical operation on two numbers we have obtained the number 12. दोन संख्यामध्ये क्रिया करून 12 ही संख्या मिळेल अशा संख्यांच्या जोड्या मिळवू. Let us find pairs of such numbers. They could be 6 plus 6, 15 minus 3, 6 into 2, 24 divided by 2, etc. When we want to say a number obtained by adding 6 and 6, it is easier to express it by using bracket like this. 6 plus 6. जेव्हा आपल्याला 6 आणि 6 यांची बेरीज करून येणारी संख्या असं म्हणायची असते तेव्हा ते ब्रॅकेटमध्ये कंस वापरून दाखवणे सोयीचे जाते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, in the bracket 15 minus 3 means a number obtained by subtracting 3 from 15. म्हणजे 15तून 3 वजा करून येणारी संख्या. Next example. There is in the bracket 6 multiplied by 2 means a number obtained by multiplying 6 by 2. म्हणजे 6ला 2ने गुणून येणारी संख्या. Next, in the bracket 24 divided by 2 means a number obtained by dividing 24 by 2. In all above examples, here we get the two different numbers and two different numbers arrangement like in the bracket 6 plus 6, second bracket 15 minus 3, third bracket 6 into 2 and fourth bracket 24 divided by 2 are called expression. 6 अधिक 6 15 वजा 3 6 गुणिले 2 24 भागिले 2 अशा प्रत्येक मांडणीला पदावली असं म्हणतात. The value of each of these expression is 12, which means all these expressions are equal to each other. या प्रत्येक पदावलीची किंमत 12 म्हणजे समान आहे. या सर्व पदावली एकमेकींशी समान आहेत. आता हे आपल्याला कसे लिहिता येईल? These arrangement or these expression we can also write these as, let us see. Into the bracket 6 plus 6 is equal to, in the bracket 15 minus 3, second 6 plus 6 bracket close is equal to 24 divided by 2, 6 into 2 is equal to 15 minus 3 is called an equality. अशा स्वरूपाच्या मांडणीला समानता असे म्हणतात. Let us see the more example of equalities. See the examples of also equalities. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 5 plus 3 are left hand side and right hand side's value is 8. In the second equality, left side's value is 9 and right side value is 9. So both sides are same. So there is the equalities. Okay students, now today's we stop here. I hope all of you understand here the equality parts in the preparation for algebra. Solve the problem set 54 related to this point. Okay, thank you.